Hello everyone, welcome to Simply Joy Crochet YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the heart shape with floral pattern. They are really simple and easy to make. You can use them as hanging ornament or hanging them onto your bag. They are great as gift as well. I believe you guys will love this tutorial. These are the materials you're going to need. I'm going to use the 4-strand pink yarn for the demonstration and the 2.0 mm crochet hook. Let's begin now. Let's start with a magic ring, and then we will do 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Let's put a stitch marker on the 3rd chain. And then we will continue with 1 more chain. Next, double crochet. Let's yarn over, insert the hook in the magic ring, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up 2 loops, and yarn over, pull up the next 2 loops. And then this is 1 double crochet and then 1 chain. So 1 double crochet, 1 chain is 1 set. We have to do a total of 7 sets in round 1. So let's do 1 more double crochet, 1 chain. This is 2nd set. Third set. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we have completed 7 sets. Let's tighten the magic ring, the yarn here, and then we will take out the stitch marker and we will do a slip stitch over here to complete this round. Round 2, let's do 2 chains. 1, 2. These 2 chains will represent 1 double crochet. Let's do 2 incomplete double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook inside the hole here, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up 2 loops. So this is 1 incomplete double crochet. We will do 1 more, yarn over, insert the hook inside the hole, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up 2 loops. So now we have 3 loops on the hook. Let's yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. We will put a stitch marker over here. Next, 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Next, we will do 3 incomplete double crochet in the next hole. Yarn over, insert the hook in the hole, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is 1 incomplete double crochet. Now we will do 2 more incomplete double crochet inside the same hole. So now there are 4 loops in the hook. On the hook, we will pull through all 4 loops and then 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will do 3 incomplete triple crochet. Yarn over twice and insert the hook in the hole. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So this is 1 incomplete triple crochet. We will do 2 more. So this is the second incomplete triple crochet and the third one. So now we have 3 incomplete triple crochet and 4 loops on the hook. We will pull through all 4 loops to form a cluster, and then we will do 4 chains next. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next hole we will do 3 incomplete triple crochet. This is 1, the second one, so now 4 loops on the hook. We will yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops to form a cluster, and we will do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next we will do a single crochet on the double crochet in the first round. So let's do a single crochet over here. Next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the next hole we will do 3 incomplete triple crochet. Then we will do a cluster. Next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3 incomplete triple crochet in the next hole. And then we'll do a cluster. Okay, next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next we will do 3 incomplete double crochet in the next hole. and we will pull through all 4 loops and do 3 chains. Same thing for the next hole, we will do 3 incomplete double crochet in the cluster. And pull through to form a cluster. Finally, 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will take out the stitch marker and do a slip stitch over here to join this, to connect this round 2. Round 3, we make single crochet all around the heart. At this point where we did the clusters in round 2, we will make 1 single crochet in each of this cluster. For the holes here, we will do single crochet, of which the number will be specified later on. If you find value in our tutorial, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Without further ado, let's start. Round 3, let's start with a chain and a single crochet over here at the cluster. Put in the stitch marker over here, and we will do 3 single crochet in the hole here. 1, 2, and 3. Next, at the cluster, we will do a single crochet. In the next hole, we will do 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, at the cluster, a single crochet, and in the hole, 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. At this juncture, a single crochet. In the hole over here, 4 single crochet. At the midpoint, we will do a slip stitch. Followed by 4 single crochet in the next hole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A single crochet, 4 single crochet in the next hole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A single crochet, 4 single crochet in the next hole. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A single crochet at the cluster. Over here, we will do 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. A single crochet at the cluster, 3 in the next hole, 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. To have a tip over here, we will do a chain followed by 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Next we will cut the yarn and we will sew the invisible slip stitch. So we will do 2 pieces, one with the yarn cut, and then we will hide the yarn behind. The other piece we will leave long yarn, and then we will sew the 2 together. For the piece that is nearer to us, we will take the outer stitch, while for the piece that is further from us, we will take the inner stitch. So we will sew the 2 pieces together. Let's take the outer stitch and the inner stitch and then sew them together. So do the stitches one by one. So we will sew one round until over here. This is the end of our tutorial. Thank you so much for being here today. If you love this video, please give us a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. I hope we will see each other again in the next tutorial. Bye and happy crocheting!